You know that feeling when you visit a sales page and have no idea what they are selling. The design is nice, the headline sounds clever, but you are just sitting there and thinking, wait, what is this for? That's the moment when they lose you as a customer. And same can happen with your funnels as well. You might be losing your customers too. Hey, this is Fraz, and in this video, I will talk about the foundation of every funnel, which is clarity. Actually, this is the first step of my 4 steps funnel framework. I recorded a separate video where I explain the whole framework. I will put the link of the video in the description below or somewhere here or here. If you haven't watched it, go and check it out. But in this video, I will dive deeper into the first step of this particular framework, which is clarity. And trust me, this is something most people skip. And that's exactly why their funnels fail. People think funnels fail because the offer is bad. No, funnels fail because they're unclear. Unclear offer, unclear audience, unclear next step. When someone lands on your landing page, you have got 5 seconds to make them understand. In those 5 seconds, they need to know 3 things: what this is, and who it is for, and lastly, what to do next. If they cannot answer these 3 things, they will leave. And no design or fancy animation can save that. So, here's a quick test. I call it the 5-second test. Show your landing page for 5 seconds to someone who doesn't know anything about it. Then ask them, ask them 3 questions. What do you think this page offers? Who is it for? What would you do next? And if they hesitate or maybe unable to answer your questions clearly or correctly, my friend, you have got a clarity problem. So, how do you fix it? Let me share some actionable steps that you can implement to fix the clarity problem. The first step is to craft a clear value proposition. What I mean is, you must say exactly what you do and who it is for in simple language. For example, instead of saying innovative marketing solutions for tomorrow, simply say I help solopreneurs build high converting funnels without a big team. Because when you become specific, it sells. The second step is identify your target audience upfront on your landing page and make your audience feel seen. Start with something like attention coaches and course creators, or if you are a freelancer struggling to get clients. You see, these one-liners instantly tell people who is it for. Because when your audience understands clearly who this offer is for, they would buy. The third and last step is about making your call to action obvious. Every landing page of your funnel should have one clear call to action, not 5 competing ones. Even if you are using multiple call to actions on a page, they should follow the same language. And use specific language like download the 10-point funnel checklist instead of just saying download now, or like book my free strategy call instead of book free call. If people don't know what to do next, they will do nothing. The goal here is pretty simple: remove confusion and add a direction to take the next step. Because if they don't take any action, then what's the whole point of building your funnel? So before you tweak colors or design, fix clarity first. Because when people understand you faster, they trust you faster. And that's how you convert faster. Thanks. And that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one.